yan later on. Pero, ngayon, yan, okay. So, merong ilang parts yung ating demo for tonight. Okay, so medyo, taas ko lang ng konti. Okay. So, merong ilang parts yung ating demo for tonight. Alright? Okay. So, first and foremost, you have to make the pie crust. Ayan. Second, the banana flavor filling. And third, the cream part, which is we're gonna use peanut butter mousse. No? Cream. Yan ang gagamitin natin to create this banoffee pie. Low carb. So, banana-less to ha. Walang real bananas for this one. Okay, so ready na ba kayo sa ating demo? Okay, anyway, since this is no-bake, okay, no-bake siya, that means, ang kinreate natin na pie crust is almond flour based, okay? Bakit almond flour based? Kasi, mas madali sa no-bake dahil, alam mo na, yung almond flour is made of almond nuts. So, kaya, ready to eat na siya. Kaya, yan yung ating no-bake na crust. Okay? It's made of almond flour. Ngayon, if you want coconut flour, then, kung naka-enroll ka na sa aking egg pie class, which is, I've been using a coconut flour-based recipe for the pie, you can use that. Pero bake na yon. So, for our no-bake na pie crust, is we have this almond flour, a combination of desiccated coconut to give it texture. Okay? And then, of course, it's a combination also. Ito talaga, kailangan, non-negotiable. Use brown sugar substitute. Okay? So, hold on, let me just check. Ayan, meron akong baul dito. Wait lang. Ayun, sabi ko na nga ba. Kasi bukas na yung mga sugar ko. So, meron ako pa dito. Okay, so, brown sugar substitute, low carb perfect match selections, brown monk fruit erythritol blend. Ayan, ha? Perfect match low carb selection product. Okay, I've been using this brown sugar substitute. Favorite ko to. It's monk fruit erythritol blend. Okay, so pang coffee ko, pang luto ko, pang brown, lahat ng may kailangan ng brown sugar substitute, I use this. Okay, so for our pie crust, which we're posting the recipe card, okay, I use the brown sugar substitute of perfect match low carb selection. So, just combine everything. Okay, so the almond flour, the desiccated coconut, the brown sugar substitute, salt, and 1/2 cup unsalted butter. Kailangan melted yon. Combine everything through you can use a food processor, you can use a hand mixer. Pag nag-come together na sila, kumuha ka ng pie plate, okay, and i-press mo lang sila. Okay, so yun lang yung ginawa ko dito. Alright? And I recommend a glass na pie plate. Mas maganda siya. Okay? So, and then ito kanina, chiniler ko na to. Ready na to, actually. Ready to eat na siya. Okay? Kasi no-bake nga siya eh. So, just press them together and bahala ka na kung gusto mo may design sa pie plate mo. So, this is it. Kinumbine ko lang lahat yon. Next stop, okay, is the filling. Normally, traditionally, they do the dulce de leche with real bananas. But since we cannot use that, okay, meron akong free recipe card on sugar-free, low-carb caramel sauce. Okay, so ginawa na natin yan in advance. And of course, ayun, nanigas na dahil air condition tayo. Pero ito na yung ating sugar-free caramel sauce. Again, using the right sugar substitute, which is allulose blend. Okay? So, ito na yung sugar-free caramel sauce. Alright. Now, so ito na yung pang dulce de leche natin na filling for this pie. Okay, but since we cannot use real bananas for this one. So we have to use, okay, we have to use banana flavoring. Okay? So I would highly recommend McCormick sa mga flavorings natin. Okay, so even for the ube, for the banana, the thing is, naubos na yung McCormick ko. Okay, so I still have, nako, hindi ko na alam ang pangalan nito, but yung mga Chinese na banana flavoring, but super tapang, no? But, so, kung ganito yung gagamitin mo, or even the McCormick, there is this thing with banana flavoring kasi, pag nasobrahan siya, lasang gamot na siya. Okay? So, just do, okay, ito, half teaspoon or for me, drops lang, no, for this one. Depende sa panlasa or depende sa banana flavoring mo. So, I will just, okay, wait. Ayoko ng marami. Okay, so I think this is 1/4 teaspoon. Okay? Or 3-4 drops lang sa iyong, what you call this? Caramel filling or dulce de leche filling. And mix it. Okay? So, normally, okay, alright, so naamoy ko na siya. Pero of course, 'di ba? Kailangan mo laging tinitikman. Okay. Ayan, sara naman natin 'to. Okay, so para ayoko kasi maglasa siyang gamot, 'di ba? Kailangan tama lang yung lasa. Perfect. Drops lang talaga for this one. Okay, super konti pa. Para lang may sipa nung banana flavor. So, I think naka half teaspoon ako for this one. Okay? Now, this is ready. And this is your pie. Okay? Pour lang natin siya over the pie. Ngayon, depende na sa'yo kung super sweet tooth ka. Actually, nasa recipe card ko is half cup of caramel filling. But I realize half is a lot, so you can adjust to 1/4. This is 1/4 actually. No? So, pa-correct na lang dyan. Okay? Sorry. I-upload natin yung revised one, but the recipe card is being uploaded also by Hazel. Nakalagay yata po dyan is half. Now, I'm doing 1/4 only. Kasi overwhelming na yung sobrang tamis. Pero, you know, merong mga iba, may sweet tooth talaga. Okay? So, there you go. So, this one, meron na siyang caramel filling. Okay? So, let it settle. So, hindi naman mainit tonight. So, settled na siya. Okay, anyway, last but not the least, okay, is we need to make our peanut butter, okay, mousse. Now, for the peanut butter mousse, ayan. Okay, first and foremost, we have to whip your whipping cream, okay? Now, okay, so, I have here, alright, karamihan naman sa inyo, alam nyo yan, I've been using Everwhip. Okay, now, meron din akong free recipe card on using all-purpose Nestle cream. Okay, all-purpose cream on how to make your own sugar-free whipping cream. Okay, so, this one, you just need 1 cup of whipping cream. Okay, and you have to whip this first before we add all the other ingredients of our peanut butter mousse. Okay, so whip muna natin to. Mabilis lang naman to mag-whip. Okay. Buhay pa kayo. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Whip lang natin. So, di pa siya stable. To stabilize it, no, I am incorporating right away our powdered sugar substitute. Okay? So, most of you, alam nyo that I use sugar blend. No? Blend na kagad yung ating sugar substitute. So, nasa recipe card natin to. Alright. So, ayan. So, once nag-whip na tayo ng ating whipping cream, this is the time to incorporate, okay, all the other products, no, and ingredients that we have. Wow, may pa-heart-heart. Thank you naman sa heart-heart na yan. Okay, so now, as mentioned earlier, for our mousse, ayan, okay, to make it a lot creamier, we're gonna use Madzun yogurt cheese, okay? So, Madzun yogurt cheese, for this one, you need 85 grams. So, this yogurt cheese is made from Madzun's plain Greek yogurt. Yun yung ginawa nilang yogurt cheese. The cheese, of course, is creamier. I've been using the cheese, no, to replace yung mga sour cream in other recipes, and even mga cream cheese filling in other recipes. I've been using this yogurt cheese. Alright? So, this one, okay, we just incorporate it in the mixture. Okay? This is a whipped cream mixture natin. So, lagay lang natin siya. Okay? So, since this is made of yogurt, it's really tangy, no? Maasim, pero nagko-complement siya and nag-e-enhance siya ng flavor, no? Sa ating mga recipes. So, just mix it. Okay? And then last but not the least, yun. To make it peanut butter, I'm gonna use Low Carb Perfect Match Selections sugar-free peanut butter. Okay? So, yan. Actually, I've tried so many peanut butters, no, na low carb. So far, eto yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. Okay? So, thank you, Perfect Match. Alright? So, to make this a peanut butter mousse, okay? So, incorporate lang natin to. Lagay lang natin siya dito. Yun. Ay, naku, ang bango. For me, bananas and peanut butter really complements each other. It's a good pair. Okay. So, this is a unique banoffee kasi peanut butter yung flavoring. Ayun. And we're using sugar-free peanut butter by Perfect Match Low Carb Selections. Okay. Alright? So, again, mix lang natin sila. Okay, so I will manually fold in. Yun. Okay, so again, this is a no-bake peanut butter banoffee pie. Low carb, of course. Low carb lang ating ginagawa sa ating page na ito. And if you haven't joined yet, join our bakers group. which is called Low Carb Bakers PH, and you'll find more free recipes and updates there. So, this one, the mousse, peanut butter mousse, okay? So, mix lang natin sila. Okay? Fold in mo lang yung peanut butter sa cream. And remember, may yogurt cheese din ito. So, it's so creamy and of course, healthy. You know? Sino may gusto? Kung taga rito kayo, book nyo na. First slice. Nakabenta na nga ako nito. Okay? Sold out na. Nakabenta ako nito sa GrabFood. May mga bumili. Okay. So, testing muna natin. Perfect. Hindi maasim. Hindi sobrang tamis. Nalalasahan ko si peanut butter. Masarap. Mas masarap pa to pag malamig. 'Di ba? Kasi mousse to eh. Peanut butter mousse to eh. So yung mousse, alright, pwede mo siyang kainin as is. Grabe. Ang sarap. Ayan na siya. Yay! Lalagay na natin siya sa ating pie. Assemble na natin ang ating pie. Alright. Okay, so, inom muna tayong tubig. Enjoy ba kayo? Nakapost na ba yung recipe card? Alright. Sige, kung gusto nyo to ha, heart lang. Okay. Now, okay, assemble natin yung ating pie. You know, yung ating banoffee pie. So, what do I need? Oh, okay, this is what I need. Okay, so, kumuha lang ako ng piping bag, kahit anong tip, no? And lagay lang natin siya, ako mas gusto kong nilalagay sa ganito, yung mousse para mas organized, no? Pero pwede mo rin siyang i-dump doon. Gusto ko lang siyang ilagay para masaya. Ay, sarap. Gusto niyo na ba? Yun. Lagay na natin siya. Okay. Yeah. Siyempre, anuhin pa natin ito ng offset. Yun. Okay. Walang tayo ng spatula. Wow! Sino may gusto? Okay. So, ganito lang natin siya. Oh! Nako, bukas na bukas din, pwede nyo nang gawin to. Okay, and then syempre ubusin natin. Sinong gusto ng taste test? Yun, no? Sayang. So, the recipe card is being posted already. Kailangan na ng powers to. Oops. Nasa sa inyo na yan kung gusto niyo magpa-ek-ek ng mga design. O, diba? Para lang masaya. I see familiar names. Ayan, yung mga bumati kanina. Hello. Sinasagad ko talaga, di ba? Yun. Okay. Now. Okay. Ito na siya. Okay. Malinaw pa ba? Ayun. Okay. So, ito na yung ating banoffee pie. Now, we're gonna use Keto Cucina chocolate, no? To put chocolate shavings on top. Actually, naubos na. Mag-order na ako, Keto Cucina. Naubos na yung classic dark ko. So, ito na natira sa akin. Chia Crunch. Pero pwede pa rin, diba? Pwede pa rin. So, we're gonna use this or pwede mo rin siyang itop with chocolate chips by Keto Cucina. But, I love it pag chocolate shavings, no? So, magcho-chocolate shavings na lang ako. Okay? So, just get any Keto Cucina chocolate bar. Ayan, diba? Lahat ng chocolates ng Keto Cucina, masarap. So, love ko talaga. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. Ayan, bagong bukas pa talaga, no? Okay. And then just put it there. Of course, it's totally different sa cocoa powder, no? Kasi cocoa powder mapait. The sugar-free chocolates by Keto Cucina will complement your banoffee pie. Okay? Kasi magiging premium, no? Premium siya. Grabe. Yan, the more the merrier. Oops, putol na. There you have it. Grabe. Sarap. Yummy na talaga to. Okay. Pero mas masarap to pag chilled na siya. Okay, so yan, tanggalin lang natin. Basically, this is it. Ang ganda, diba? Parang baked pie siya. Ayan. Okay. So, ayan. So, yung iba, nanonood pa from Laguna. Ayun. Ating baked pie. Hindi, no bake pala. No bake. Low carb. Peanut butter banoffee pie. Grabe ang haba ng name. Pero actually, it's very healthy kasi it has yogurt cheese, which gives you more protein. Okay? And we use sugar-free peanut butter by Low Carb Perfect Match Selections. And the chocolates naman na nagpadagdag, no, ng pagiging premium ng product na to. So for me, it's premium na. Hindi siya regular. Oh my gosh, hindi siya regular product, no? And then we added sugar-free chocolates by Keto Cucina.